Looking for some French Christmas vibes for the holidays? I got you covered. Bonjour tout le monde, I'm Cassie, your French teacher, so you can discover France the French way. And now is the perfect time to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're in love with French culture. Today I want to introduce you to 3 French Christmas movies that will bring a bit of French magic on screen, but also one classic French movie that I just cannot stand. Of course I will put it at the end, like come on. I want you to stay for the entire video. And go to the description because in the free PDF I added 2 extra recommendations. Alors t'es prêt? On y va. The first movie, I actually have it as a DVD. Yes, they still exist and I do have it because it is my favorite of the list. I mean, I'm gonna complain at the end of the video, so I'm giving you my favorite one now. It is Santa et compagnie. I was about to say it in English. No, Santa et compagnie. Donc Santa as Santa Claus, even though the name of Santa Claus in French is Le Père Noël, so literally Father Christmas. And it is a movie directed by Alain Chabat. Alain Chabat is a director that I adore. He's a genius comedian and he's the one who created, wrote, directed my favorite movie of all time, which is Astérix et Obélix Mission Cléopâtre. And I'm not saying my favorite French movie, no, I'm saying my favorite movie. Like, American movies, they're amazing. Spanish movies, great, I love them for horror. Guillermo del Toro is my favorite director, but Alain Chabat, Astérix et Obélix, and he made this movie which is perfect for like good vibes for Christmas. So the idea of that movie, the plot is Santa Claus, like Alain Chabat, he's also of course playing the character. So he's Santa Claus, like working to prepare Christmas, we're making all the toys, etc. But all the elves, they fall sick.
Eh ben, ça avance bien tout ça.
Bah, qu'est-ce qu'il y a? J'ai attrapé chaud, là. Magnus?
And of course, without them, the toys won't be ready. So Santa has to look for medicine to cure the elves. And one funny thing, his wife in the movie is played by Audrey Tautou, who you probably know from Amélie Poulain.
Eh ben, va chercher 92 000 tubes de vitamine C, tu fais un aller-retour, la pif-pouf.
Boule là maintenant.
Bah oui, là, maintenant, Santa enfant. Il faut sortir les doigts de la hotte, là.
So, Santa, he goes to the real world. He goes to Paris to find the medicine and everything is crazy because he's not used to real life.
Je cherche ton rayon lutin. Oh là là là.
Donne-moi 92 000 comme ça.
Mais bien sûr. Non.
So that's why it is a very fun movie. It is a bit silly, but that's what I love with Alain Chabat. It is his humor. It is absolutely absurd, very touching too. It is very sweet, like very French. Like the absurdity is very French, but it's also very warm, very sweet, and I think it is perfect for Christmas.
Est-ce qu'on peut faire un tour de reine?
Non.
S'il te plaît!
Non.
And also, it is pretty. I mean, Paris is pretty. The images, pictures, they're pretty. And Paris in the winter is even prettier. And you have comedians that I really like that comes for like very small scenes or cameos. So I think you really will enjoy this movie. Alors, Santa et compagnie by Alain Chabat.
Vite, on n'a plus le temps.
Ça me fait réaliser que tout n'arrive pas magiquement comme ça.
Next one, le Père Noël. Easy, now you know what le Père Noël means, right? Santa Claus. Le Père Noël. This one is a bit specific because it's not really le Père Noël, okay? So it is the story of Antoine, who is a young boy and he wants to meet Santa. He's really planning this time to catch Santa and meet him for real, like really cute boy, okay?
Si tu vas pas te coucher, le Père Noël pourra pas passer.
Mais le cadeau qui me fera le plus plaisir, c'est de faire un tour dans ton traîneau avec toi.
But the one he meets isn't Santa, but a thief who's here to rob, I don't know, like a wealthy Parisian apartment, like whatever.
Je suis trop content. Oui, Et ton traîneau?
Il est cassé, il a plus d'essence.
L'or, c'est l'essence du traîneau.
And that thief slash Santa Claus is actually played by Tahar Rahim, who is an actor that I really, really like. Maybe you know him from the series The Serpent, or maybe from movies like Un Prophète or The Mauritanian. Really liked him there. So he's very, very good with drama, but he's also amazing in a comedy. So it's not a comedy like, ha ha ha, good joke, but it's more like fun, it is light. The duo with the kid goes very, very well. They're very touching together.
Je te descends, tu rentres et tu me ramènes tout l'or que tu peux trouver, ok? Et t'allumes pas.
C'est pas moi.
C'est moi peut-être?
And even Santa Tahar Rahim is, I don't know, he's a good guy. Like, he's doing something bad. Okay, I'm not saying you should do that, of course. But at the end, you're kind of rooting for him so he has a better life and, you know, he gets his life back together. So it is, I think, perfect for the Christmas spirit. Again, light, sweet, good-hearted. And yeah, that's just the kind of feeling we want for Christmas. And again, Paris with the snow in winter. Mwah, absolutely beautiful.
C'est vrai que t'es le Père Noël?
Comment que je suis le Père Noël?
Je veux voir ton traîneau.
Je vais te le montrer, mon traîneau. Prêt, mon grand?
Prêt.
Maintenant, la magie de Noël peut commencer.
For the third recommendation, I'm throwing an animated movie, which is L'Apprenti Père Noël. France has a lot of savoir-faire with animation. Like you can see, I mean, Arcane, French studio, okay? No, for real, we have a lot, well, like I can't do anything, no. But in France, you have companies, they have a lot of savoir-faire with animation. And that's why I thought it was important to add one to that list. And L'Apprenti Père Noël is actually, again, very sweet, but that's what we want for Christmas, right? So it is the story of Nicolas. What happens with Nicolas? He's a little boy. I mean, it's a Christmas tale. And Santa Claus actually wants to retire. So he's looking for somebody to take over the Christmas business or whatever. So he needs to be replaced by Nicolas, who is a pure-hearted little kid, and he needs to teach him the ways of Christmas and you know, creating all these toys, etc.
Cette année,
Je pars le cœur léger. Nicolas sera un grand Père Noël.
le Père Noël prend sa retraite.
Au revoir à tous.
C'est pas un placard, là?
Allez, les lutins, saluez votre nouveau Père Noël!
But Nicolas doesn't believe he can do it. He's not confident. He needs to be reassured. He needs to learn that he's worthy. And other than just, oh, it's touching, etc., I think it is great to end the year thinking, okay, what don't I believe I can do and actually I should be doing next year. I think it is a great way to end the year so you're even more motivated for the year to come. That's how I choose to see it. Yeah. And that's what I wish for you. So you overcome your fears, you overcome your doubts, and you start the year 2026 super confident, proud of yourself, and you will learn French, for sure. And also the animation is super colorful, like it is really pretty. Like in French we say c'est un bonbon. Candy.
Vous me trouvez comment? Maintenant, c'est à toi de jouer.
Mais les cadeaux seront-ils prêts?
Ah, j'y arriverai jamais! Jamais!
Et l'esprit de Noël est en danger.
Ça devrait pas fondre, c'est ça?
C'est une catastrophe.
Non, tout va très bien.
Là, on est mal.
Plus une seconde à perdre. Il faut sauver Noël.
L'apprenti Père Noël et le flocon magique.
Okay, now, the one I cannot stand. Le Père Noël est une ordure. So this one, a bit older, to be fair. But it is supposed to be like the classic French movie for Christmas. I hate it. I hate it with all my heart. And I think every year on television you would have like one channel showing it and I don't know, thousands of people watching it because for some reason they still watch television. That's another topic, okay? But Le Père Noël est une ordure. Well, it is a crisis hotline. I don't remember for what. So you have like volunteers working there for Christmas, and then like I don't even remember exactly the plot, but it is rude, it is silly, it is racist as shit.
Oh, Monsieur Prescovic. C'est Prescovic, Thérèse.
Bonsoir, Monsieur Mortez.
Bonjour,
Bonsoir, Madame Thérèse. Oh, l'ascenseur est encore en panne. Et puis votre collègue, celle qui parle fort, est coincée dedans.
Nous sommes au courant, Monsieur Prescovic. Nous avons fait le nécessaire. C'est très gentil de nous avoir prévenus.
Non, mais j'ai descendu, c'est pour la Noël. Je vous ai apporté, c'est un cadeau de mon pays.
It didn't age well, let's say, and I don't understand how French people nowadays can still think, oh, that was so funny, it is the pentacle of French humor. No, it's not edgy, it is just rude, plain rude.
Les fameux doubichous de Sofia.
Ah oui. Ah, c'est très bon. Je ne sais pas si vous avez remarqué, Thérèse, il y a une espèce de deuxième couche à l'intérieur.
Oui, c'est fin, c'est très fin, ça se mange sans faim.
C'est une fabrication artisanale.
Oui, effectivement, on a un petit peu l'impression que c'est fait à la main, quoi.
Oui, c'est fait à la main, c'est roulé à la main sous les aisselles.
It's chaotic, it is questionable, it is sexist, of course. It cannot be racist and not sexist, like they go together. Anyway, so I wouldn't recommend it at all, and if French people recommend it to you, maybe question them, like, why? Why do you like that movie? Because I'm actually curious, so you ask them and then you tell me, okay? Oh, I remember, at some point, they kill Santa Claus, or they kill someone. No, I don't remember it. Anyway, not good. See how I don't remember it? Like, that's a hint how bad it was. And chaotic. Anyway, let's share a bit. Tell me what is your favorite Christmas movie, maybe from your own country. I want to know in the comments. And if you want the list of recommendations, entirely in French. With extra bonuses, you can download the free PDF that is in the description. Now, if you want more recommendations of French movies, mostly beginner friendly, I recommend you watch this video next. Donc à dans 2 semaines, salut!